Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Veracity. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after breaking down the rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, Veracity formed another falling wedge pattern on the smaller time frame on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live 4-hour time frame chart, and here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern since after 2nd of August, you can see it is moving inside this wedge. We got stable ejections by the resistance, stable bouncing from the support. The movement is getting squeezed inside this wedge. And now for the past few hours, it is trying to break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this breakout that has happened on the daily time frame chart from this down channel. You can see that after the breakout from this channel, the price then broke down the support of a rising wedge pattern. And now it is getting accumulated above the previous resistance of the channel that is now working as a support. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for GMX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 15th of July 2024. And you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Veracity, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And now you can see that for the past several hours or even several days, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And now the movement is quite squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, at any time, it can break this pattern. This is, by the way, a bullish bias pattern. The previous pattern that it formed on the daily time frame chart, this one was the rising wedge pattern. That was a bearish bias. And opposite to that, this pattern is a bullish bias. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down the support. However, if the price line breaks down the support of this falling wedge pattern, then technical target to the downside can be here, approximately at $0.0019. And if the price line breaks down the support, then it can also re-enter the previous down channel as well that is broken out on the daily time frame chart. And in case of breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the technical target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $0.0031. And in my opinion, after breaking out this wedge, the price line can also try to break out this long-term resistance of $0.0035 as well. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel. And after the breakout, the price line dropped again because it broke down this rising wedge pattern. And the technical target for this rising wedge was here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at $0.0027. And you can see that the price line dropped slightly more than that. And if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this down channel, that technical target can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 1.6 cents. And if the price line reaches there, then it can also try to break out this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. Now, if we take a look at this 7 days time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this big falling wedge pattern. After that, you can see that it is breaking out different patterns. Like first, it broke out a very massive falling wedge pattern, then broke out another falling wedge pattern that was smaller than the previous one, then broke out another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and now on the daily time frame chart, it has formed another bullish bias pattern and broke it out, and that is a down channel. And now the price line has formed a very small falling wedge pattern and getting accumulated above the previous resistance of the channel, this channel, that is now working as a support. And still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And that technical target can be here at the top of this wedge, approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.